Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to New Beacon House. Today we are going to have a small talk with the little stars of New Beacon House. Hello dear.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Armizala.
Where are you from, Zarmeen?
I am from Alwala.
Okay, good. How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
Very nice. Okay. Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
Okay. Okay, Zarmeen, do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Very nice. What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock.
Very good. Okay. What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
Okay, Zarmeen, do you have siblings?
Yes, I have siblings.
Very good. What's your favorite season?
I like winter.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Zarmeen. Goodbye.
Bye.